to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 11 laptop. First, restart your laptop and router. Click on Start and shut down your laptop. Then, turn off your Wi-Fi router. Wait for 30 seconds. Turn the router back on. Start a laptop and check if the Wi-Fi icon appears. Next, check Wi-Fi adapter. Your wireless adapter may be disabled. Right-click on Start menu. Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. You could see Intel, Realtek, Qualcomm, or something else. Like I have TP-Link wireless USB adapter. Simply right-click and select Enable Device. If it's already enabled, disable it first, then enable it again. After this, restart your PC. If nothing works, use CMD network repair commands to repair damaged network settings. Click in Search, type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter. I have mentioned it in description. After running all commands, click on Start and restart your laptop. That's all for today. See you in the next video.